for the sky so blue, for morning sunshine and evening too, for rivers flowing and mountains high, for birds that sing beneath the sky. Thank you trees for the shade you give, for teaching us how strong to live. Thank you flowers for colors bright, for filling hearts with pure delight. Thank you rain for your gentle fall, for giving life and love to all. Thank you stars for your shining glow, guiding us wherever we go, Belle. Oh nature, you are pure and true, though forever we are thankful to you.